Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Marissa Roots Undone, and thank you for tuning in to today's video. So today I have the August Treasure Tress box with me, and before I get into the box and tell you all about the products that were included in this month's box and how they worked for me, I'm going to let you guys know that I've teamed up with Treasure Tress to give away one of these August boxes. So I will leave all the information on how you can enter the giveaway below, but just a quick run through. You have to make sure that you're following both me and Treasure Tress on Instagram and repost the picture on my Instagram page, making sure to tag myself at Roots Undone, Treasure Tress and Creme of Nature in the comment section. So I'm gonna get into the box. So opening up the box, I don't have any nails at the moment, so it's gonna be a bit difficult. Okay. So here we have the little insert which features in every Treasure Tress box, and this month's box features Creme of Nature. Why does my box look like this? Creme of Nature Pure Honey products from their new Pure Honey line. So we do have the Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo, the Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner, the Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask, the Not Today Leave-In Detangler, and the Moisture Infusion Edge Control, all inside this box. And if you don't know, these boxes are £20 a month and you get full products, full size products for your wash day. Yeah, so as you can see, I have already used some of these products, as I did use them for my recent wash day, and they were everything that my hair needed. Literally, like, I saw honey, I saw moisture, and I was like, yeah, my hair needs this, and they delivered. So I'm gonna start with the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Shampoo. Now this shampoo, it was really nice. I can't remember the scent, but I'm pretty sure all of the products have quite a light scent. Yeah, it was quite a sweet, pleasant, light scent, nothing too strong. But yeah, so I obviously started with the shampoo, and I had co-washed my hair for about 2 or 3 weeks in a row, so my hair needed a shampoo. And this cleaned my hair, but it didn't strip it or anything like that. My hair was left feeling really soft afterwards, so I really like this shampoo. It lathers up really well, and it is sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, and doesn't contain any silicones. So that is the shampoo. I then followed up with the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner, and this conditioner, it was a bit thick for me personally, but when I just added a bit of water to it, it kind of like, the consistency became a bit more liquidy, and I used it to detangle my hair, and it was fine. I can't really speak too much about the conditioner because I didn't leave it in my hair for too long. I literally used it just to detangle my hair before putting the hair mask in my hair. But yeah, the conditioner again has a light pleasant smell, and I used it to detangle, and with a little bit of water it was fine to detangle my hair with, and yeah. So onto the hair mask we have here. This hair mask is so good. It has a consistency a bit like cake batter, which is really weird, but as soon as I put it in my hair, my like natural curl pattern started to pop, which is an indication for me, or to me, that my hair likes this conditioner and that it's moisturizing, and considering it's supposed to be a moisture replenishing and strengthening hair mask, it did what it said on the tin. My hair felt moisturized afterwards. It did feel a little stronger, but it didn't feel dry or straw-like, almost as if I had like a protein overload or anything like that. It was the perfect balance between moisture and like protein to strengthen my hair, so that was good. On to the Not Away Leave-In Detangler. This was nice, again, really thick. Personally, it's probably my least favourite out of them all, just because it's quite thick for my hair. I have low porosity hair, and so personally my hair prefers products that are a bit more liquidy and runny. My hair can find it quite hard to absorb products that are quite thick. But if any of you are high porosity or anything like that, this will probably be great for you. But with that being said, it did moisturise my hair. I used it to moisturise my hair before slicking my hair back, and yeah, it was just nice. And last but not least, we have the edge control here. I haven't had a chance to use this really, as I don't really use edge control to stick my hair down because no edge control keeps my hair slick. But again, it has a really nice smell to it, and it's not the strongest edge control that I've come across, but if your hair slicks down quite easy, it will be a nice edge control for you. Again, no sulfates, no mineral oil, and it's pure honey, rich coconut oil and creamy shea butter all in there. So we do have 5 full-size products from this month's box, which, like I said in the beginning, are up for grabs. So like I said, if you want to be within a chance of winning this August box, make sure you head over to my Instagram page on Roots Undone and follow the instructions in my post, and good luck to everyone. Also make sure to use my discount code Roots Undone for 10% off of your first box, and thanks for watching.